What's going on, guys? So last week I didn't make a video because I was being really lazy. So it's been about 2 weeks since I posted a video for 2018. Hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be testing the 373 gears on the Foxbody. Before I had gears on a Foxbody, I always wondered what the RPM was in relationship to the miles per hour on these cars. So today I'm going to be doing some little testing. I'm going to be running through the gears, and I'm going to have the GoPro on the speedometer and the tachometer to show you guys the RPMs and what gear I'm in, see what RPM the car is running at when I'm on the freeway. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and at the same time I'm gonna be testing out because I haven't changed the speedometer gear to accommodate the 373 gears on the car, and I haven't done that because I've been lazy and I really don't want to do that. And the last time that I tested it, it wasn't that bad. It was only about 2 or 3 miles per hour that was off. I'm gonna go ahead and retest that for you guys and see how off the mile per hour is when you guys install the 373s. But keep in mind, I'm running 17-inch wheels. Depending on what wheels you guys are running, it's gonna dictate how off your mile per hour is compared to how fast you're really going. So let's get to it and let's do some testing. So I'm testing out the speedometer accuracy right now, and hopefully you guys can see it, but there's an app that I'm using for my phone. So far everything looks pretty accurate. I'm gonna go up to 20 miles per hour, and the app is saying that I'm doing about the same thing. So it's going about 26, and the speedometer says about 25-ish, but I think it's gonna be a little off considering it's an app, but it's not that far off. So I'm gonna go a little faster now. So just keep in mind, I'm just gonna be testing out the accuracy when it comes to this speedometer on my car. So right now it's saying I'm 30, 33, 34, 32. So if I keep it steady, it looks like it's pretty accurate. So far it's looking like my speedometer in these low mile per hour is pretty accurate. So I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna take it up to, I'm gonna take it on the freeway and see how it does on there. Pretty sure you guys noticed that the speedometer is going crazy. I think that's notorious for Foxbodies. The speedometer just jumps around. I have the speedometer cable, but again, I'm being lazy to install it. But hopefully you guys can see, because there's a lot of glare, and I try to adjust the camera as best as I possibly could for these conditions, but there's always glare on the gauge cluster. So I took the phone off from I took my phone off from right here because it's just flying all over the place. So I'm just going to be telling you guys what exactly is going on, so that way I won't cause any kind of issues. So I'm going to take the car up to about 65 and see how accurate it is when it comes to those higher those higher miles per hour. But again, there's a lot of traffic right now, which is BS, but I gotta get this done, right? All right, so I'm gonna keep it steady at 60. Hopefully I can keep it still at 60. Right now it's saying says I'm going 67 and it's showing 63 on my speedometer, so it's a little off. So right there it says I'm going 60, but it's saying 65, 66. So I think after 60 miles per hour, is when my speedometer is not accurate. Because right here is about 61 maybe. It says I'm going 67 on my app. I'm not sure if that's correct or not. I'm keeping up with traffic, so I guess that's a good thing. So I'm gonna go up to about 70 miles per hour. Oh man, that looks bad. You guys cannot see anything. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna go up to 70. And it says I'm going 76. So from the looks of it, if you guys change to 373 gears, it's going to be off about 5 or 6 miles per hour when you go over 60 miles per hour. Right now, I'm going 70 miles per hour, and it says I'm going 76. So there you guys have it. Over 60 miles per hour, you're going to be off about 5 or 6, but anything that's under, I think, 50 miles per hour is going to be pretty accurate, or going to be off by 1 or 2. All right, I just got off the freeway because there's so much traffic. So let's do a little bit of some driving in the street, even though there's still a lot of traffic on the street. So this first gear, second gear, third gear, third gear, so I'm gonna get on it just a bit right now. There's an on-ramp. Hopefully you guys could see it. Oh man, it's so bright. So yeah, let's do a little run. I'm back from the test drive, and I could honestly say that that was a complete failure. There was so much traffic and so much glare on the actual camera because of the sun and just the gauge cluster. The things that I took from that is, if you're going to be going under 50 miles per hour, the RPMs on the car are going to be off by about 3 miles per hour. So basically, when you see 30 miles per hour on the car, you're really going 33 or 32 miles per hour. And anything that's over 50 or 55, you're going to be off by about 5 or 6 miles per hour. But keep in mind, I was using that app from my phone, so I don't know how accurate that is. The last time I tested it, it was pretty similar, but this time it was a lot more of a drastic change when I drove over 60 miles per hour. So if you're gonna be going over 60 miles per hour and say that you're doing 60 miles per hour on the speedometer on your car, you're really doing about 65 or 66. That's basically everything that I took from that video. Hopefully it helped some people out there. I'm gonna go ahead, I haven't even seen the footage, but from what I've seen, there's gonna be a bunch of glare on that. Like I said, I'm gonna put it all together. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. There's gonna be more videos coming soon. If you guys are not subscribed, consider subscribing. Watch my other videos in my channel. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. So yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.